and this time another seafood. We having crab cakes, but this time it's going to be the seafood UFO sandwich. My take, my twist. Alright, so I'm going to use the Duke's mayonnaise. And I think this might be like a half a cup. Then I'll just squirt a little Dijon mustard. It's probably about a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. I am going to use my lemon pepper, because what goes good with seafood is lemon pepper. Let me shake this up first. So that's about a fourth cup. I'm going to add the Worcestershire, however you say it. It's about maybe about a tablespoon. And I need to add an egg. Okay, I'm going to add one egg. And wash my hands. I'm going to add a little bit of Old Bay. It's probably a teaspoon. Then I'm going to mix this up together first, because you want to make like a sauce. Now you can taste this before you put the egg in here. And it's this good. Okay, now I'm going to add my crackers, my Ritz. I'm using Ritz. I've used one sleeve. I'm going to add that in there. And it's quick and easy. Of course, I make it hard, but right now, it's quick and easy. Comes out. Okay. I'm going to mix this first. It's going to thicken it up a little bit. If you feel it's a little thick, you can add a little more Worcestershire in it. Now I'm going to add my lump crab and my regular crab. I'm just going to use a little bit of this first. Okay. I've seen people use gloves to mix that, but I can't do it, so I'm going to mix this with my hands. Try not to break up the big lump crab meat, the jumbo crab. I'm mixing it. Just want to see if it come all together. Now, what are you looking for? See if you can make a ball. See? Make a ball. Okay. Let me get a pan. Be right back. So, in my pan, start that way. In my pan, I had curly wells to butter it. Okay. And we just making little UFOs. And so. If you want the great big ones, then I say go for it. Just make it into a ball. Put it there. Okay guys, so now that my UFOs are done, when they're not done, after I rolled them. So I'm just going to spread some melted butter on top. I have my oven preheated, and it was on 350, but I'm turning it on to 450. And you want to cook these until just the top's brown, and cook that egg out of it. In the meantime, I'm having my brioche buns, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. Kind of lightly buttered those. And I'm going to sprinkle some Old Bay on top. Quite a bit if you want. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for maybe 10 minutes or just till it browns. And here's my brioche buns that had already put some melted butter on top and bottom. That's all I did. And when they get done, I'm going to pop these in the oven till they toast, guys, and I'll be right back. Here is my crab cakes right here. So let's get to putting everything together here. I wish I had a commercial kitchen, but I don't. Okay. So here I toasted my brioche buns. Just, you know, just a little toast around there. So what I'm going to do is get the bottom part, and here is my sauce. I'm just going to smear it around there. You know, I'm going to put this over here, guys, so you can see. Okay, and I'm going to get the crab cake. Put it right there. Alright. I'm going to get, well, what am I going to get? I am going to get, excuse me, a spoon. That's what I'm going to get. Okay, so I'm going to put my crab dip on here. This is a small one, so put that on there. I am going to get my salad shrimp. Also construct that on there, if it'll stay. Alright. I am going to get my shrimp. I am going to get an oyster. I'm going to take some of that sauce, drizzle over it. Alright, I'm going to get a little bit of lettuce. It's all not going to stay on there. And I'm going to get a slice of tomatoes. And I'm going to get, where my lemon pepper go? I'm going to sprinkle a little lemon pepper on top, just a little. And get the top of the bun. Add some more of that sauce on there. Smash it down a little bit. Booyah. There you go. There is my seafood UFO sandwich right here. See? And I was inspired by, because this is not my construction, I was inspired by the seafood UFO sandwich by Jimmy. I think it's Jimmy Seafood in Baltimore. I'm not quite sure. But this is not mine. I have to give the credit to them. Okay? Here we go. Here we go. Look at it, y'all. Look at it.